So, now that we know what a whiteboard challenge is, let's talk about why companies rely on it so much. Think of it as a real world simulation, a way for teams to see how you perform when there's pressure, ambiguity, and no time to polish your ideas. The first reason is pressure testing. Whiteboard challenges reveal how candidates perform under time constraints and incomplete information. Just like in real workplace conditions, you often don't have perfect clarity, you have to make quick, thoughtful decisions. It's not about perfection, it's about how you adapt and think under pressure. The second reason, in person problem solving. Unlike polished portfolio presentations that took weeks, this shows your thinking in motion. Interviewers get to see your actual decision making process, how you frame a problem, explore options, and reason through trade offs. It's a glimpse into how you really work when no one's rehearsing. Next, there's collaboration assessment. Whiteboard sessions aren't solo performances, they're conversations. Interviewers observe how you communicate, how receptive you are to feedback, and whether you can build on ideas collaboratively because design at its heart is teamwork. And finally, the authenticity filter. This part is powerful, it's much harder to fake. You can rehearse a case study, but you can't script a live challenge. It reveals who you are as a designer, your mindset, your composure, and your ability to think on your feet. That's why companies love this exercise. Because unlike portfolio reviews that showcase what you've done, whiteboard challenges reveal who you are, your methodology, adaptability, and user centered mindset in its rawest form.